MapReduce is a programming model that is used for analyzing large amount of data on clusters of computers. One of the famous open source frameworks that uses MapReduce is Hadoop. Today, I want to show you how MapReduce works by implementing it in Python. Let's get started. So let's say we have a large corpora of text that has sentences in it, and we want to submit a MapReduce function. Looking at this list of sentences here, if we apply the mapping, that will output us a list of key value pairs. So we're going to have tuples. That is, the key is the word and the value is 1, and we're going to have world 1, the second one, and then the next word. So look that the mapping step always have the value to be 1, no matter if we have the repeats, still going to have the value to be equal to 1, even if it is in the same sentence. And then we have is, and then we have beautiful 1, and hello 1, and everyone. So after this, there's the shuffling step. At the shuffling step, each of these keys are going to be read, and they are going to be assigned on a single node. So if this is hello, for example, it's 1 time the value, and then it's going to be word. So word is going to be assigned to another node 1, and then we have word, so this one is also going to be assigned to the same node. This step is really important, the shuffling step. By assigning the similar keys to the same node, MapReduce helps to speed up the process because the node-to-node communication is removed. So the processing are within the same node. The count of the word, the similar words are on the same node. So like the next node will look like is 1, and then beautiful 1, and then hello again. So we have another hello here that is going to be in this node, and everyone. So this one, after shuffling, we are reduced to this many nodes. And after this, we are going to output in the reducing step our result to a dictionary of again key values, that the keys are our words and the values are going to be the sum of those values. So, and then word is going to be 2, it's going to be 2, and then is going to be 1, and beautiful is going to be 1, and everyone is going to be 1. So this step is called reducing. So this is reducing, this is called shuffling, and this step is mapping. Now we want to implement them. The mapping function I explained. Now the shuffling function, we get the mapped values. These are the mapped values, and if we loop through the keys, if the key exists in our dictionary, then we just append the value to it. See, for the first hello we had 1, and then for the other hello it existed, so we just appended the value to the same node. And for the reducing part, just going through each keys and summing up the values. We can now put a breakpoint here. So I want to show the output of each function. Let's just run this in a debug mode and see the mapped values. Hello, 1, word 1, and so forth. So just similar to what I did here for these sentences. And then for the grouped values, we see that it is now a dictionary of key values that appends the repeating key value to the existing key. So here we have hello to be 2, and the word is 1, 1, and the rest of the words have only one value, just similar to what we did here. So basically, at the shuffling step, we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes. And for the reducing part, so you see here, hello 2, so just summing up word 2 and is 1. So basically the output is a dictionary of key values that shows the count of the words, and print word frequencies. So that's the final output that we have.